Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really exciting unboxing to share with you. I cut the box open already with my scissors here because this thing was taped so securely. It was like Fort Knox getting in there, so I didn't want for you to have to watch me cut and tear open that tape. So I'm going to just quickly unbox it. This is a true unboxing. As you can see, I've not opened it up yet. This is actually my very first time ordering from a personal shopper or a reseller. I found her on Instagram. I was super trepidated, like nervous, to hand over my money to someone that I don't know, who I've never met online. And unfortunately, I did have a really bad experience not too long ago where I got scammed by someone on Instagram. So as you can imagine, I was pretty traumatized. But Jazz from Rue Street Bags, she has a long-standing history, a lot of amazing reviews, and so I thought I'd give it one more shot, and I'm very pleased because she was very easy and wonderful to interact with, and she mailed this out to me super quickly. It's only been 2 days and it's already here, so I'm going to show you. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It is a Chanel. Yes, and by the size of the box, you may be able to guess what kind of item it is. Let me get this out here. It's so well packaged. Look at all this bubble wrap. I think you can tell a lot by how meticulously packaged something is and who was behind it. It just shows the care and the attention to detail. So let me pull the box out of the way. Okay. Oh my gosh. So if you guys are surprised about this unboxing, so am I. That makes two of us. For those of you who have been on my channel before and also follow me on Instagram, you know that I don't really have a wish list for my bags. I feel like I've kind of reached bag peace, or purse peace as they call it. But when I see a bag that just speaks to me, sometimes I can't resist, even though I don't have a formal wish list. And this bag, it is a bag I have been eyeing for years, but I never could find one in the right color combo and the right condition that I wanted it in, and also the right price. So this one really spoke to me, and I kept going back to it. I looked at the photos over and over again for like 48 hours before I reached out to Rue Street Bags to even ask for any information, and I just knew, my heart was set. So here we go. Oh my gosh. So it comes with the full set box, dust bag, authenticity card. I think it even comes with the original receipt. So awesome. It's very rare that you find a pre-loved bag with the full set like this. So oh my gosh. You see it peeking out? I'm so excited. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is the Chanel Jumbo Single Flap. You guys know I am a stickler for weight and I don't like heavy bags. And I always wanted a jumbo, but I didn't want a heavy bag. And so many people complain about the jumbo being super heavy. Once you fill it, it really hurts your shoulders, and I can't bear with that. So I wanted a single flap, but those are very rare to find. As you know, they were discontinued a long time ago. And also, single flaps tend to be really droopy and slouchy. If the previous owner didn't take good care of them, then they can have like this really funky look where the top is really pointy and triangular and the sides are protruding. But this one was clearly taken care of. Look at it. It's boxy. That's how it's supposed to look. The fold here, it's supposed to look boxy, not slouchy. Oh my gosh. And you guys know I love black caviar with silver hardware, so I've totally spoiled myself. My birthday is next month, and I told my husband, just consider this my birthday present, and he just snorted because obviously this is a pretty massive purchase. Let me open it up. Oh my gosh, look, this is the beautiful hardware here. It's so gorgeous. Oh, thank you, Jazz, if you're watching. She's probably not watching. She's very busy with her business, but I am now such a supporter of her business. Oh my gosh. If you guys need a personal shopper, if you're looking for a reseller, she has so many beautiful Chanel bags. Go check her out on Instagram. Oh! The squishiness of the chains, exactly how I love it. That squeaky sound, I love it. I know some people get irritated by the squeakiness. I love the squeakiness of the chains on the classic flaps. I'm going to have to do follow-up videos comparing this beautiful jumbo with my medium classic flap. Well, now I have two. I have two medium classic flaps since I won that white vintage one through a giveaway. Did you guys see that video? Oh my gosh, I feel so like Chanel spoiled right now. I don't think I'm ever going to need to buy another Chanel bag ever again. I have plenty now. I have plenty. So I've got this one. I've got the two medium classic flaps, and I've got the wallet on chain. So that's 4. That's plenty. Oh my gosh. I never thought I'd need or want more than just one. So, oh, and I have, what am I saying? I have my Chanel clutch with chain that I got not too long ago. So it's 5, and my lucky number is 5. So that's it. That's it, guys. 5 Chanel bags for me for my lifetime. Seriously, I don't need any more. I was thinking if I get this one, then I will sell the clutch with chain. Sorry, I don't have it in front of me. I'll do some comparison videos soon. Oops. And I thought I don't need to have the clutch with chain if I have this, but actually, no, I think these serve different purposes. And I even, when I was DMing with Jazz, the owner of Rue Street Bags, where I got this, I said to her, you know what? I think I may not need to keep my Chanel clutch with chain if I'm getting this. And she was like, oh, no, they're so different. So she almost like gave me permission or an excuse to keep both. Holy cow, I am in love. I'm just giving you like close-up shots. Look at the caviar. The price on this was so good. I can't believe how pristine it is. She said it was pristine. She said I would be lucky to have this because it's so rare to find a jumbo single flap in this condition, and I totally think she's right. I agree with her 100%. So let me get this stuff out of here. So it is a made in France, by the way. So woohoo! Yeah, made in France always makes my heart jump. Oh my gosh, look at the inside. It's pristine. Is the authenticity card in here? I wonder where it is. Probably tucked away somewhere. Yep, it's here. Oh my gosh, all the original paperwork. You guys. So let me open this up really quickly. Wow. Yep, original receipt and everything. And it is a 12 series for those of you who are interested in knowing that. Wow, I feel so lucky. I feel so lucky. But that's it, guys. What is it? June now? July is my birthday. I'm done. Please hold me to this. No more Chanel bags for the rest of the year and perhaps for the rest of my life, because I don't want to have a million bags, and this is plenty for me. Holy cow, more than plenty. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. And I could imagine how much heavier it would be with the double flap. Wow. It's actually pretty substantial even with just the single flap. So this was definitely the way to go for me. I love that it is a larger size, as I have so many mini bags. You guys know I have a lot of mini bags and crossbody bags, but I don't have larger shoulder bags like this because I usually just don't carry a lot. But I was thinking as I get older, like when I was talking to my mom, we were debating the Coach Cassie versus the Coach Cassie 19. And for those of you who watched that video a while back, I actually bought her the Cassie, the original Cassie, the larger size, and gifted it to her around Mother's Day. And she said to me, you know, when you get older, you tend to want bigger bags because you have a lot more to carry, like your reading glasses and what have you. So I thought, really? If that's true, look, I'm rationalizing. I get it. It's probably not making sense. But to me, I thought, well, I can get this now and I can wear this for many, many, many years until I get older. And this will be my go-to bag to just sling over my shoulder for every day. And eventually, since I have a daughter, she can take over all these bags. I'll take good care of them so she can inherit them. Again, totally rationalizing and making up gibberish in my head. But our heart wants what it wants, right, ladies? So I hope this was just as exciting as it was for me. I love watching unboxing videos because I get like an adrenaline rush, and I'm happy for the person that I'm, watching the video from. So I hope you get that warm and fuzzy feeling. I'm really happy. Really, I am a big believer now in, finding legit resellers like Rue Street Bags. So let me show you the information again. Here's Jazz's business card. You can go look her up on Instagram. And then my friend Elma, she started her own personal shopping biz recently, and she's also on Instagram, and I have been sharing her information. So go check her out too if you're interested. She's also got like an eagle eye for Chanel, and she's been doing her business has taken off in the last few weeks. So I think that speaks volumes to how she's managing things. She's on Instagram as the Guru Edit. I'll put all that information down in the description box so you can check her out. So those are the two people that I would 100% personally vouch for. I have not experienced any other personal shoppers that I can speak of. So, and of course, on this channel, I only promote and recommend places, items, and brands that I personally have experience with, that I personally enjoy. So I hope you can always count on my word to be, honest and true. So thank you so much for watching this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. If you're new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe and join the fun. Till next time, bye-bye.